In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Strava app when it's not working. Whether you're out on a run or cycling through the city, having your Strava app functioning correctly is vital for tracking your performance and mileage. Let's jump right in and get that app up and running smoothly. First off, let's start with the simplest fix. Force closing the app and reopening it. This basic step often helps reset any temporary glitches that might be affecting app performance. Simply exit the app completely and then reopen it. This can resolve many minor issues quickly. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. Strava relies heavily on an internet connection for uploading your activities and syncing data. Check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile signal, and try switching between them to see if one offers better stability. A weak connection could be the reason why the app isn't responding well. Moving on, let's check if your Strava app is updated to the latest version. App updates often include crucial bug fixes and improvements, so keeping your app updated is essential. Head over to your App Store, Google Play Store for Android users or the App Store for iPhone users, and see if there are any updates available for Strava. Download and install updates promptly to ensure the app functions smoothly. Another simple yet effective fix is to restart your phone. This can clear your device's temporary memory, close unnecessary background processes, and essentially give your phone a fresh start, which can be beneficial for app operation. It's also important to verify your app permissions. Strava needs access to certain functionalities like location and motion sensors to track activities accurately. Navigate to your phone's settings, find the Strava app in your list, and make sure you've granted it access to necessary permissions, especially location and motion. If issues persist, try logging out of your Strava account and then logging back in. This can sometimes solve synchronization errors or glitches linked to your account. Simply head to the settings within the app, log out, and then enter your credentials to log back in. Should these steps not yield success, the next step would be to uninstall and then reinstall the app. Uninstalling removes potential corrupted files, and reinstalling gives you a clean slate. Just be sure you remember your login information so you can access your account afterward. Lastly, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be time to contact Strava support through their help center. They have a team equipped to handle more complex issues and can provide guidance or solutions specific to your problem. With these steps, we hope you've got your Strava app running without a hitch. Whether it's a small glitch or a more persistent problem, working through these tips should help get you back to tracking your activities in no time. Thanks for watching and happy exercising.